Now I call Ayush for its meaning.
I am of class 11C, and the meaning of the scripture is tasks are accomplished only by making efforts, not by merely desiring. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. I am Santanu Sir from class 11. See, today's news headlines are as follows. International news. Israel strikes on Gaza, 87 deaths or missing. The latest Israel strikes on Gaza reports Palestine. Nepal's One China policy. Nepal's committed to One China policy bans anti-China activity. Russia's air defense. Russia shoots down over 100 Ukraine drones. National news. PM Modi to launch 5G services on October 22, aiming to accelerate digital transformation. BJP released first list for Maharashtra polls for ordinance from the Nagpur southwest. PM Modi inaugurates eye hospitals in Varanasi offering comprehensive consultation. Thank you, Abhinay.
Good morning to all. I am Ankush from class 11C, and today I am here to tell you about sports news headlines. New Zealand won their maiden Women T20 World Cup trophy, beating South Africa by 32 runs. Sri Lanka vs West Indies. West Indies obtained to play first third T20. India vs New Zealand Test match. India were bowled out for 46 in the Bangalore Test, making the lowest total in history. Thank you, Avanai.
Choice to take one of the two paths, to wait for some special day or to celebrate each special day.
Those with a grateful mindset tend to see the message in the mess. And even though life may knock them down, the grateful find reasons, if even small ones, to get up.
A very hearty morning to one and all present over here. Today I am Anshika.
And I, Roshak, students of class 11C, welcome you all in today's morning assembly on the topic Gratitude and Mindfulness.
Let us begin our day with an atmosphere of learning, warmth and togetherness.
In today's fast-paced world, we often forget to pause and reflect. But practicing mindfulness can help us focus on the present, while gratitude reminds us of the good things we already have in life. Today, let's celebrate these two powerful practices that can help us find peace and mindfulness. Do you know, Vanshika, what is gratitude and how does it connect with mindfulness?
Yes, gratitude is the ability to appreciate the positive aspects of our lives, no matter how small it is. Mindfulness is about being fully present. When we combine the two, we nurture a positive mindset.
Absolutely right. To help us dive deeper into this, we have our fellow classmate Harsh, who will guide us through his speech.
We live in a world full of constant activity and change. Amidst all the noise, it becomes essential to cultivate practices that bring us peace and clarity. Two such things are gratitude and mindfulness. Good morning to all, respected principals, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Harsh, am here to share some thoughts on how these two powerful habits can enrich our lives. In the rush of our daily routines, we often overlook the small yet significant moments that shape our lives. We often become so preoccupied with our responsibilities and ambitions that we forget to pause and reflect on the present. This is where the practices of gratitude and mindfulness can transform our perspective, helping us lead more fulfilling and balanced lives. Gratitude is the simple act of being thankful for what we have, from the smallest, like a warm cup of tea, to the larger blessings in our lives, such as health or supportive friends. By practicing gratitude, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we already possess. This not only enhances our mood, but also strengthens our relationships, as it helps us appreciate the people and moments that make life special. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is the practice of being fully present in the moment. It allows us to experience life as it unfolds, without being distracted by the past or the future. When we are mindful, we engage deeply with the present, whether we are spending time with our loved ones, working on a task, or simply enjoying nature. When we combine gratitude and mindfulness, we cultivate a sense of peace and contentment. We become more grounded, resilient, and able to face challenges with a positive mindset. In conclusion, by being mindful and practicing gratitude, we can enrich our lives in ways that go beyond material gains. Let's take a moment each day to reflect, be present, and appreciate the abundance around us. Thank you.
मधुबन में जो कन्हैया किसी को पीस मिले, कभी मुस्काए कभी छेड़े कभी बात करे, राधा कैसे न जले, राधा कैसे न जले, आग तन मन में लगे, राधा कैसे न जले, राधा कैसे न जले।
मधुबन में भले कान्हा किसी को पीस मिले, हमने तो राधा के ही प्रेम के हैं फूल खिले, इसलिए राधा जले, इसलिए राधा जले, न सोचे समझे, इसलिए राधा जले, इसलिए राधा जले। बिना खाए जान राधा, फिर तू है उसको विश्वास राधा।
बाबा जी का मुस्कान बना दिल
time to hear from someone whose guidance and leadership inspire us every day. I would like to invite our respected Principal Sir to share a few words of wisdom with us.
Thank you, children. Thank you, class 11C, for presenting beautiful assembly. It's beautiful dance, speeches, scripture, the theme, express your gratitude and mindfulness. Congratulations to children who got certificates of appreciation for their calligraphy skills. Happy to note that we have many students in the school who have good calligraphic skills. It took us nearly about 4 to 5 assemblies to give away these certificates of appreciation. I hope other children also emulate their handwriting by taking help from them. As far as today's topic is concerned, it should be a part and parcel of our lives, always. We should learn to be grateful to things that are happening around us. Whether it is in our own family members are concerned, or when we come to school, our friends are there who are doing something for us, or whosoever. When teachers are teaching you well, you should be grateful. And then, of course, there are bigger things that we get used to, that we have got used to, and we are not grateful for that. That is the blessings that God has given us. We take things for granted, but when you look at it a little deeply, you realize that the sunshine that is there for us, it's helpful to us in so many ways. The oxygen that we are breathing, every little thing, each plant helps us to grow. The ecosystem, if you try to study it, everything is supporting each other. One of our friends towards the end said, mindfulness makes us become good. It helps us to appreciate the good things around us. I slightly differ from that and would like to add and say that when we are mindful of the things that are happening around us, we learn from both good things as well as bad things that are happening around us. And we will learn more when we learn the bad things in us also. We all have good qualities and bad qualities. It's very easy to see bad qualities in others, but are we mindful towards the bad things, the bad habits that we possess? That will be the real mindfulness. Do we sit quietly when teachers are not there in the classrooms? Try to reflect and see, you will get the answer. When you get the opportunity of walking in the corridors, do you walk or you just run helter-skelter with no control over yourselves? And then you can make your own assessment. Where do you stand? If you are able to walk properly, if you are able to stand in assemblies and listen to what is happening on the stage instead of talking to each other, then you need to be mindful of yourself. When teacher is teaching inside the classroom and you're busy talking to each other, you're not being mindful. If you're able to see those things in you, then chances are that you will start improving. Otherwise, believe me, you will just keep running helter-skelter in your whole life. Here you're running around in the school corridor, littering around unmindfully. In your life also you'll be doing that. Here you're littering with chocolate wrappers or something more. When you grow up, you will litter with your words. We do littering with our words also. Try to reflect. When you talk with your friends, are your friends listening to you? Are they enjoying what you are telling them? When we grow up, what kind of talks do we make with our colleagues? Do we appreciate people around us, and especially when they are absent? Or we talk about people, all the bad things when they are not with us, and when we are facing them, we talk all good things. We'll reflect on these things. I think that will be more being mindful of our bad habits, and then our own conscience will tell us what is right and wrong. And as I always say, our intelligence is there to guide us. Take help of your conscience, take help of your intelligence, and make the right what? Make the right choices. When you forget, you always have good and bad things around you. The choice you have to make. The teacher can tell you to be mindful, but to be mindful is your choice. You can either keep on talking with your friend, or you can also divert your mind in the class. That is up to you. If you feel that, no, I have to learn today in my class, then you can guide your mind towards what the teacher is saying. When you walk in the corridor today and this week and this month and this year, try to be mindful and see what kind of behavior you are carrying yourself, what impression you are creating among others. Thank you.